Hey guys, here's a little quick video here just to show you a little kit that I made here for your DE shaving, your single blade shaving, your wet shaving. I guess extra products and stuff you can use to make it a little bit better, easier, more efficient. I've been kind of looking and scouring the internet. I'm new to this stuff, so I don't really know what to use, what not to use. And I figured that this is actually a perfect video to show people because I was looking for stuff like this and it was really hard to find something that would exactly fit what I needed. So anyway, this is the two things I did. I got this simple stand from Amazon. Simple plastic stand. It's very cheap. I think it was $8. Came with a bowl and it came with a brush. It came with a different brush. This is a Wilkinson brush. They're very cheap, but I like it. Anyways, put the brush on and boom, now you have a stand, a cup or a lathering bowl, and your brush. So it's all three in one. It should be, more convenient to move around, so you can bring your whole station to the bathroom or whatever it is. Now the problem I had was I bought the leaf razor first, and the leaf razor is very long and doesn't really have a spot that it can sit on. So what happens is this thing didn't work for me because it came with this slot here only came with that slot. So when I tried putting it in, it just didn't really sit, didn't fit good, it didn't work. So what I did, first thing I did was drill a hole here. You drill a hole here, now it can sit in there, you can put any razor in there and it's fine, good to go. You can put this razor, this is the one I like now, boom, the Rockwell 6C fits in there perfect. Or you can even put this one here and that one here. That one will sit nice. It's just a little crooked on this table, is a little bit crooked, but anyways, so that's modification number one. Then the second thing I did was I was noticing that when I'm done shaving, I want to dry my blades out. I don't want to leave the blade in the razor. So what I do is I take the blade out. Actually what I did was I got a magnet and just glued it to the back side of here, and now what it allows me to do is just put my blade on it so that the blade can dry. And it's tucked away, so it's safe, so you don't have to worry about your hands getting cut or anything like that. So it's all tucked away, safe. Now you put your razor in to let it dry, you put your brush to let it dry, and then you put your cup to let it dry. Boom, now you have this whole stand. Bring it to the bathroom, bring it to wherever it is, boom. Little simple modification. Hope that worked for you. If that little DIY trick helped, amazing. Hopefully it did. If it did, then like the video and feel free to subscribe. Obviously I would love it. If not, no worries, I'll earn that another day. But anyway, see you until the next video. Hope this helps.